Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Abby if you're new here, and if not, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my first experience with the Indian Healing Clay Mask. It's the world's most powerful facial, and ultimately it's deep pore cleansing with natural calcium bentonite. Bentonite? Is that right? Bentonite? Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong, but with natural calcium bentonite clay. I do have normal to oily skin. It's perfect for the Indian Healing Clay, right? So today I'm gonna show you how to mix it up. We'll hit on price and delivery, and I'll include all the links in the description. What? So going over some things here just before we get started. Ingredients: natural calcium bentonite, green clay. Bentonite, I think that's right. Lord knows. This is the new version 2, and what it is it's actually an Aztec secret, so to speak. Ooh, secret. So just going over the directions here, it says to mix equal parts clay and water and or apple cider vinegar. I read a crap ton of reviews online, and it did read that the mask works better with apple cider vinegar, so that's what we're gonna do today. As far as directions go, use a non-metal bowl to mix and mix well into a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. So as far as how thick or thin you're wanting your mixture to go, it's definitely leaving it up to you. It's about a pound, I would say, of powder in here. And with that, you're getting more than a pound of facials, right? You're getting a pound of what is this dry kind of mud mix, and then you're adding water to actually create the mask. So ultimately you're getting way more product than you would get in the tubes that you order online. And speaking of ordering online, I actually got this off Amazon. It was only, I wanna say like $15. I will drop all the links and things down below, so no worries there. But again, let dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 for normal. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulse. Guys, I'm not kidding. It reads that. Can you see? Can you see here? Nope, but I will put that down below. Feel your face pulse. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Use once per week for normal skin or more often for problem skin. So there are no rules or regulations as far as how often you use this mask. And again, you're getting a pound of the clay and adding water and or apple cider vinegar. Today, I'm actually going to take it a step further, and we're gonna add some tea tree oil as well. Tea tree oil is really good for what I have, which is combo skin. By adding the oil, it's just giving your mask cleansing elements and purifying qualities so that your mask is more effective overall. 1 pound of clay makes 15 facials. Guys, that is a lie. I've read reviews everywhere online, and you get way more than 15 uses out of this bad boy. This product was ordered off Amazon. It shipped in about 4 or 5 days, which is pretty normal, and even faster than I expected considering we are in a global pandemic. So go Amazon, woo, points there. But the exact price and link to the product is down below. No, this is not a sponsored video. I am just giving my feedback on a product that I've heard great things about, and I can't wait to see how it works for us today. I'm gonna throw this hair up, and then we are gonna get started with that facial. So if you're interested in other beauty or self-care type videos, you click on the I link right up here. It will take you directly to that playlist, and you can see more of the things that I like to do in my free time. So as I mentioned, never been opened. So as you can see, it's a pound of loose powder. I can shake it around in there if I'd like. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do equal parts powder and equal parts apple cider vinegar with just a couple drops of that tea tree oil. It should start foaming. We are just going to mix this until all the clumps are gone. So I did 2 tablespoons, enough for myself and my special guest. Speaking of said special guest, why don't we bring him in? Come here, bud. Stop.
I don't like the way I feel.
Yeah. Come here. Okay, you're gonna have to like, yeah.
I'm a pretty boy, but I ain't this pretty.
Did you see the ick? Is that it for you? Are you good with that?
Mm-hmm.
Stop. Stop scratching.
I have a confession.
What?
I watched the ridiculous question.
Where's it? Where's your audience now?
Mm.
Okay. Talk to the fans.
This is not something that we normally do in our household. I have no idea what the hell I look like. I'm finna be acne free.
Oh. Product highlights, it's great for facials, body wraps, clay masks, foot soaks. So after doing both mine and my boyfriend's, oh, he my fiance. After doing both of our masks with 2 tablespoons full, I still have enough probably to do one more mask, if not another. So leading into next time, I know maybe I should go with teaspoons and not tablespoons. As you can see, it's pretty thick, right? I got some extra. So it's pretty thick. It's globbed on just about everywhere. And it's actually started drying and I can already feel like the tightness on my face. I don't know if you heard that, but Jay said, me too. But yeah, so I can already feel it tightening. Like I said, more than 15 facials. We've already done 3 and I took out 2 tablespoons, which is too much. But let's let this bad boy sit and I will see you here in a few. It's definitely drying, right? If I haven't mentioned it before, it says wash, don't peel. So wash, don't peel, all right? God, I look disgusting. Babe, what's the name of the big, like, green monster in Suicide Squad? That's what I look like. Who? The Croc?
Yeah, Killer Croc.
Yo, I'm Killer Croc. So we're gonna let it dry just a little bit longer and we're gonna wash it off.
Look at this. This is ridiculous.
I look like the Green Goblin.
This looks like the desert.
So it's super dry. Obviously you can see that it's cracking, and I think at that point, oh my gosh, try to move your face. Ah! Okay, we're gonna wash these bad boys off, and then afterwards we'll let you know how it feels. Okay, wow. So just took my hair out after rinsing off the Indian healing clay. It looks really red right now. I don't know if you could notice, but I look really red and Jay does not. I kept mine on a little bit longer, but my face feels so smooth. I feel like it visibly reduced the size of my pores, which is like crazy because I have huge pores. So yeah, my face is really red. You can actually like see the difference. But it feels so good. That's crazy. So yes, you guys, this Indian healing clay mask is no joke, but my face feels awesome. It's a little red. On the packaging, it says that redness could last up to 30 minutes, so I'm expecting that. But all in all, this was a great Amazon purchase. So if you're interested in watching other videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Go ahead and share this video as well if you think someone else could benefit from the Indian healing clay. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Toodles!